What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Barcelona Jersey Away from 2020 season. This is a dark and gold style special away uniform from the Barcelona soccer team from Spain that has some amazing details. It's a quite a slim shape with a good detail level, the boarded logo, the sponsors into the front and UNICEF logo into the back. It's comfortable, quite slim, has some amazing details into the top. The Nike and the Barcelona soccer team logo are boarded. It's a Dri-FIT material. If you have a look, there's a La Liga. This is the logo of the championship league from Europe, Spain. The fact that the La Liga logo, the league logo, into the part of the t-shirt is colored when the other parts are in the gold makes no sense in my opinion, but it's nice as well and fits into the overall design. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!